Okay.
Okay, this right here is the GD900. It is the world's first transparent handset. And I say that because the keypad on the bottom is completely transparent. And one of the things that we wanted to do with this phone is, a lot of people, they want a phone with a large touchscreen, but they don't want a large phone. So one of the things that we did is we added this slide-out keyboard on the bottom as an extension to the touchscreen. And it happens to also run our new S-Class OS. So basically, I could touch the screen to swipe across to go where I want on the device, but I could also use the touchscreen on the bottom, just like you would on a mouse pad on your laptop. So I could go to where I want. So let me go to my music. I'll just tap it. I don't want my voicemail. Let me get out of here. All right. Let me bring it back to my cube. Okay, so let me go to my music. I just tap on the screen, pulls up my music, and then from there, if I want to navigate through my music, I could do it on the screen here, or I could go down here, find the song that I want, tap it, and then it'll actually load up my song player. So now it's going to go ahead and launch my music player straight from there. Is that neat? Let me exit out of here. And then it also has a regular menu too. So if people are used to using a regular menu on the phone, you can do that. Let me launch my gallery. I'm going to go into some pictures. And then let me launch a picture. What's really nice about this handset is not only does it have the really cool transparent bottom, a lot of other features, it's also multi-touch. So I could expand my photo from here just by pinching it, shrinking it, but I could also do it down here as well. I could move the photo around, I could shrink it, I could turn it, it has an accelerometer, and then from there I could also expand the picture straight from there. Is that neat? So it has multi-touch as well on both touch parts of the device. Now what else makes this unit device, it also happens to have an 8-megapixel camera on the back. It has Wi-Fi, it has an FM receiver so you can listen to your music on this thing. It's a full 3G device. This is an absolutely amazing handset. On top of having the really cool transparent keypad on it.
What carriers are you going to release with?
Nothing official yet. We don't have any official carriers that are going to be picking this up yet.
Is it GSM or CD?
It's GSM. It's a quad-band GSM HSDPA 7.2. So very fast data on here on top of the Wi-Fi and the 8-megapixel camera and everything else that it comes with. Is that neat? So this is pretty much the GD900. I could even scroll between different menus as well if I don't want to go into the cube. Just literally just swipe my finger and I'll go ahead and launch the cube. Something else that the phone has, let me go to my shortcuts. So I pull up my shortcuts. We also have gestures that you could do on here. So you add whatever you want onto the shortcuts, and then you literally make a gesture for it. So it's like a quick gesture. So like I could tap something on here, and then it might bring up your music player. You could do like a W for music player, M for music, W for web, a 0 for something else, figure 8, whatever you want to do on here.
Is that downloadable apps?
It's nothing we haven't announced, or that's kind of up in the air right now. No, nothing official on launch dates. So everything's still to be determined on here.